Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Sherry. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are not and you've been here for a while, thank you for coming back. So this week we're doing a plan with me from the week of the 6th to the 12th of August, and I thought it was appropriate this week to use this Coffee Monsterz Co. kit, which is the only kit I have. I think I'm going to go out and purchase it again because I really love the way this kit looks. But I wanted to use this week because I think we're going to the beach this weekend, but also it is Helen's birthday anniversary kit coming, or birthday kit coming out, not anniversary, but kit coming out, or bundle, I believe on the 6th. And I figured that I will go ahead and use a kit from her shop to essentially commemorate her week. Or her birthday. So anyway, let's go ahead and get into the kit. So this is the sampler. You have this 4 circle flags, your weekend banners, your dots, these beautiful bows down here. I really love the kind of mermaid scale theme going on. And this kit, by the way, is called Last Summer. Then you have the full boxes here. Aren't these colors just beautiful? I love, for me personally, my preference is pastel colors. There's just something so feminine and dainty about it, and I love it. In a way, what am I trying to say here? I'm a little sad that summer is ending soon. I know we have some while before the heat goes away, but the kids will be going to school here in about a couple weeks. So I am happy that we're gaining some normalcy back because they'll be back on a routine. However, this was the time for us to be able to be free with the things that we do on the weekends and stuff like that. Because once school starts, the kids are in sports. There are other activities in school. They have projects, things like that. So kind of sad a little bit. I love seasons, not so much the winter, but fall, spring, and summer, love them all. So I don't mind the season change. However, summertime is where you get to do the most stuff. Anyway, let me get into the kit. So again, these are the full boxes. Then you have your header and little things, your circle checklists, your half boxes, quarter boxes, and stackable washi. And then you have your Monday through Sunday tracker. I do like that in her kit she has this work labels and class labels. You have your habit trackers here on the side. Some more little things over here. And then you have your bottom washi and a couple of emojis over here. And your headers. Now I typically use Simply Gilded washi to kind of complement the bottom washi, so I would cut this in half, but because it creates a beach scene, I'm just going to go ahead and leave it like that for this week. So anyway, if you are new to my channel, then my planning style is white space planning, and then what I like to do is, as I'm laying down the base, I will go ahead and speed up this video, and then I will be back for the pre-planning. So I'll see you in a little bit. right, we're back for the pre-planning. Let me get all of my character stickers here situated. So Monday morning as usual. Actually, I forgot to put the weekend banner down, so let's go ahead and put that down now. And I'm going to put that right into the bottom washi because it's all like one scene. So it's all, you know, it doesn't, I'm not taking away from the bottom washi. Okay, so now that that is down, let's go ahead and do the pre-planning portion. Okay, so you guys know every Monday I like to put down Coffee Monday. So let's go ahead and use these coffee cups from Coffee Monster, not Coffee Monster's Co, from Erica G Designs. And like I say in every video, she no longer does printed. She does printables now, but you can get these if you do have a silhouette cutting machine or any kind of cutting machine and a printer. You can take download these printables and print and cut them yourself. But I still have quite a bit of them from when she when she was doing printed. Okay, Sherry, get your thoughts together. When she was doing printed stickers. All right, so now it is. We're going to publish our video. Let me close this real quick. So we're going to go ahead and publish our video on Monday. Okay. And we're going to use this Once More with Love Munchkin, uploading the video. We'll put that right down here. Okay. And then I also, there is the Simply Gilded, not Simply Gilded, the Coffee Monsterz Co. Birthday release. So I'm going to, I wanted to use this little shopping thing, but you know what? Let me see. I don't think she has a release on here. And she doesn't have shopping bag icon. So what I'm going to do is pull out, let's see if I have a little spending one right here. So I'm hoping to be able to get the Helen's birthday bundle, which is going to be releasing on the 6th. And I'm going to use this Take My Money. We'll put that right down here. Okay. From the Coffee Monsterz Co. All right, so now we have 2 meetings. So we have a Special Olympics meeting that I'm volunteering for. So I want to put that down here. And I'm going to use the teal one here. Does it fit? Oh, just perfect. So we'll put that there, and let's see if there's an icon available that I can put there. So I'll just put this little exclamation point or asterisk down to signify that I have a meeting. And then I think that's it for Monday. All right, for Tuesday, the only thing we have is every ALS class. My husband is the commandant of an Emerald Leadership School. In simplest terms, it is essentially a PT challenge that the Airman Leadership School, sorry. It's a school for young airmen that are getting ready to be NCOs. And before they do that, they have to learn what it means to lead and things like that. And so with that, my husband is the commandant, so essentially he's like the principal of the school. And every class, the first sergeants, which I am a first sergeant in the United States Air Force, first sergeants and the chiefs, we have a PT challenge, which is usually a volleyball game with the students. So I'm going to annotate that, and I don't really have an icon for that, so I'm just going to go ahead and skip that and move on to the next thing. And that is it for Tuesday. Let me zoom you in just a little bit. All right, so we know every Wednesday we have trash. So I want to use this, let's see, we'll use the pink one. And this little trash can is from Shine Sticker Studio. So we'll put that there. And then I have Final Retreat with my husband's class again. So let's go ahead and use one of these quarter boxes. Or not even quarter boxes, they're like 1/8 of a box. Actually, I don't want to put that. You know what? It doesn't matter. So we'll put Retreat right here. And then, let's see what we have next. We have laundry. So let's use a little washing machine. And I really don't have a really good color to go with this. So let's see. I think I have a Fox and Cactus laundry. Yep. So I'm going to take one of these little ones here. Actually, I'm just going to take this cute little laundry basket from the Fox and Cactus. And we're going to put that right down here to signify that it's midweek laundry. And then what do we have next? I think that's it for Wednesday. So let's go ahead and move on to Thursday. Thursday, as usual, we have our shirt meeting first thing in the morning. So I'm going to take this teal quarter box, or 1/8 of a box, or slightly smaller than a quarter box. And then I'm going to take this coffee cup because it's super early in the morning. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to do that because I'm running out of these and I don't have a printable yet. So what I am going to do is use one of these Coffee Monsterz Co. faces. And I love going to these meetings because this is where we really get to learn, you know, some experiences and things like that that helps us in our job as first sergeants. All right, let me put this back. And then we have ALS graduation at night. So I'm going to take this cute, let me see, do I have any other quarter boxes? No. So I'm going to take this cute bow and we're going to put that right down here. And then we're going to take this little graduation emoji from the Coffee Monsterz Co. And we'll put them right at the top or right here. Right next to that bow. Sorry if you didn't see that. All right, moving on to Friday. Friday, we have nothing, which is a good thing. All right, Saturday. Saturday, I want to plan for the week and not just my planner, but like everything in life. So essentially, let's see, our groceries, all that good stuff. So I'm going to put that right at the top here. And I'm going to take this emoji from the kit. Where are you? Where are you? Here we go. The one with the, I don't know if I want to use the pen. Actually, I'm gonna use this one here because I usually do all of my planning and stuff on my computer, and then I transfer everything onto my Erin Condren. So we'll put that right there. And then on Sunday, we have grocery shopping. So I'm going to use this emoji from the Coffee Monsterz Co. holding the Walmart bags. And then we have laundry again. So I'm going to go ahead and use, where is my girl? From the Fox and Cactus. And I'd like to use this like clothes, this power folded clothes here. And we'll put that right down here. Okay. And then the last thing that I have is cleaning for that day. So let's go ahead and put the Fox and Cactus girl doing laundry. I mean, doing dishes. And perfect. All right, so let me open up the spread for you. So, and then zoom you out real quick. All right, so that is the complete spread for the week of the 6th through the 12th, right? Yep, so the 6th through the 12th. I haven't put the day size down, so I apologize about that. But yeah, so I really, really love this kit. I think I'm gonna go ahead and order another one just to keep and hoard. Yes, 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 I do hoard my kits. Because I just love the colors. I love Helen. I love supporting her shop. She is my favorite character shop of anyone out there on the market. And I just thoroughly enjoy her drawing skills, artistic ability. So yeah. So anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And as usual, go ahead and like this video if you like it. It really helps my channel out. And also subscribe if you haven't. And while you're there, there's a little notification bell right next to the subscribe button. Go ahead and hit that so that you don't miss any of my videos. Anyway, so that is it. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.